southern edge of this severe storm producing the tornado is going to travel.
Tornado emergency in South Oklahoma City metro area at 6:57 p.m. A large tornado was moving along Interstate 44 west of Newcastle. On its present path, this large damaging tornado will enter southwest sections of the Oklahoma City metro area between 7:15 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Persons in Moore and South Oklahoma City should take immediate tornado precautions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path of this large and destructive tornado, take cover immediately. Doppler radar indicated this storm may contain destructive hail to the size of baseballs or larger.
Travel into South, well, it's in there right now. Midwest City, Del City, South Oklahoma City, and that area.